Assalamu alaikum. Rahathafaathu ge muling a episode ke murhaba fenna basara boda marhaba. Meduga program ga sarme tafaatu recipe ete befna hame genestena. Meduga program mi haasa kollani tafaatu cuisine karme medu mi jahilani Indian cuisine ingeto. Andaikiga me meduge haasa dish tayar kolluma meri chef Lal. Welcome. So what are we preparing today?
Today I preparing my chicken dum biryani.
What does dum mean in biryani? Because I've heard that there are different types of biryani.
Yeah,
right?
this one need to dum means slow fire. This steam, and I put the cover on top. Then this one cooking very slow fire.
Slow fire cooking, right?
Arabi presents Rahathafaathu, powered by Fahipe, Total Food Suppliers, co-sponsor Muduwali, Radiant Heat, location partner Hurule Island Hotel.
The first is ghee.
Can we use another
This
substitute?
Yeah, I making this one is 2 portion biryani. 2 portion means this one is this spoon is 3 spoon is ghee.
Okay.
And after this one is cardamom and cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves.
Can oil or butter be used as a substitute?
Yeah, butter also can use.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unsalted, right?
Yeah, if you don't have this ghee, then can use the butter. Yeah.
Would it affect the taste of the biryani?
This taste is Indian spice, little bit spicy, and a little sour taste.
Okay.
Now this one need to little bit brown, and after I put this onion. This is one large onion.
Does it have to be chopped in a certain way?
Chop with this slice is fine.
Thin slices or?
Yeah, thin slice.
Ihara then kude me dani fiya rek kurumuga process. Fiya rek kurairuga me alali purtama ghee then some spices add kollafa then onion alalafa fiya rek kurani. Then ghee ge badaluga butter ves benu kuravidana nuniya munte ves benu kuravidana ghee alalima vara meeru wahen ebahure manunda hama yagin vara meeru wana me biryani ne vara tafaatu wana.
Now this onion is brown. I add this ginger garlic paste. This one like. I put the chicken. This one like 5 minutes slow fire.
On slow medium heat.
Yeah, medium.
Kukulu alaluma po demi kakalani gagada ka pasara ka minute wandeng madu gini gadeng chef kurin paha kolli hen dum biryani ga me biryani hadairu me kakani wara madu gini ga the whole process me dai.
Rahathafaathuge mihaftage suwal ಪಾಸ್ತಾ ಕಕ್ಕಾರು ಮಾಬೋಡ ಮಡುನುವೆ ದತಂ ಹರ್ಕುಂ ಹುನ್ನ ಮಿಂವರ ಕಕ್ಕಾಫುರುಮಾ ಇಟಲಿ ಬಹುಂಕಿಯಣಿ ಕೊನ್ನಮೆ ಹಾ ಆಲ್ಡೆಂಟೆ ಶವ್ಯಣಿ ಸೋಟೆ ನೂನು ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸುವಾಲ ರಂಗಳು ಜವಾಬ್ ಫುಣುವುಮಾ PSM AF ಹಿಯಾರ್ ಕುರವ್ವ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹಫ್ತಾಕು ಗುರುತುಂ ಹೊವೆ ಎದ್ದೆ ಫರಾತಕ ಹುಳ್ಳೆ ಐಲೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ರೋದ ವಿಲ್ಲುಮ್ಗೆ ಫುರ್ಸತ್ ಅದಿ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಗಿಣಾಂಗ್ ರಂಗಳು ಜವಾಬ್ ಫುಣುವ ಫರಾತಕುಗೆ ಮೆದುಗ ಗುರುತುಂ ಹೊವೆ ಎದ್ದೆ ಫರಾತಕ ಹುಳ್ಳೆ ಐಲೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗ ದೆರೆ ಹುರುಮುಗೆ ಫುರ್ಸತ್
Now I add this one little bit turmeric powder, like half teaspoon. I add the salt. I put some chili, green chili. And this one I have biryani masala.
There are different types of masalas?
Yeah, this one is special coming for a biryani.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one I put 2 teaspoons. Now I add a little bit chili oil. This for is the color. And some lemon juice. And some tomatoes. This is a peeled tomato, but this one can use fresh tomato also.
Okay.
Now I add a little bit the yogurt, like 2 teaspoons.
What's the purpose of yogurt?
Yogurt is a little bit sour.
For which time would you recommend
Yeah,
this?
this for is night time. Is yeah.
Tarawih fahal ka kan hamawara ragal dish ka mashafa hakuren.
Now I add these mint leaves and coriander leaves.
Okay.
Now I add a little with the water.
Okay.
And here I have rice. This one needed to put like half hour water inside.
Okay.
Now this one is ready. Now I boiling this rice. This one half cooked.
Why are we putting foil on the chicken?
Because this one keep it hot. Is water boiling. Then I cook this one now 50%, half cook.
Why are we cooking it?
Because this is a basmati rice. This one I separate little with half cooking means this one coming big, not nice.
Oh.
This one, but directly also can make with putting the rice. Directly also cook. Now I put a little bit salt is here. Then this one half cook, and after I remove this water. Now I add a little bit milk. This is a for coloring because this one not coming this red color, little bit white like this. Then now I put the rice.
Okay. portion by portion, right?
Yeah.
By alalumu guys me faharaku by madu alamu mix kuramu chef midani. Then emme macham me alali hama hudu back kore.
Now I add little bit the color. This is a yellow color. For the garnish one top. And this is a red color. This little bit. And this one has cinnamon and cardamom powder. Then I put little bit flavor for one top. Yeah, now I cover this one. This one nicely cover. And now this one cooking the slow fire like 6-7 minutes. Yeah, now biryani is ready. Now I making a raita. Raita with mixing onion, tomato, cucumber.
Okay. What's the purpose of raita?
Raita for is this is a yogurt one for biryani.
Okay.
Yeah, this special is for biryani. This one top I put a little bit chili for the garnish. And a little bit the cumin powder.
Okay.
Now biryani is ready. Then I serve this plate. This one I cut 4 pieces. Now I put a little bit fried onions.
Rahathafaathu cuisine ko Indian cuisine ning medu bigenastini chicken dum biryani tayaru kollanuge chef lal fahakure vigota me dish ki me taravis kariya vara kamudane dish. Thank you so much chef. Anun medu kurani medu bigenastini dish ki vesti befruna kamudane dish ka vikama. Wassalamu alaikum.